Welcome everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol. My name is Joen. So Huawei had a 90% flash sale on their Huawei Store app, and I was one of the lucky ones that got a hold of the coupons they sent out when you download the app. You can use that coupon to buy 4 items from the store: the Huawei mini speaker, the Huawei supercharged charger, the Huawei supercharged wireless car charger, and the Huawei Moonlight selfie stick. Of course, you know me, I'll definitely buy the Huawei mini speaker to try and test out its quality. Kasi to be honest, yun lang na may marereview natin sa channel na to from the items on sale. So now we have it here. It took 3 days to be delivered. Paid it for only 99 pesos. And wow, I am surprised and impressed on how good this mini speaker is. For today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the Huawei CM510. Before we head on, my giveaway of the Halo GT1 XR is still ongoing. Head to my unboxing video to learn the mechanics. And a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be spectacular. Right off the bat, we could see at the front the image of the speaker. Looks big on the picture, but it's not. At the bottom, we could see 3 key features: stereo pair, where you could use 2 mini speakers simultaneously with 1 device; amazing sound, where they weren't really faking when they say amazing sound, because it is; and deep bass, for it has a passive radiator at the bottom of the speaker. As we open up the box, we could see 2 paperworks, the user guide, and warranty card. And when we pull this side, we could see the speaker and a couple of boxes where the lace and micro USB is located. Now let's take a look at the mini speaker. I have here the emerald green version, but you can grab the graphite black as well. Here is where the power button and LED indicator is located, and right here are the microphone, the lace hole for the lace, and the micro USB port. Sadly, it's not Type-C. Ayun, so sayang. It is metal build with the plastic rubber at its bottom side for that frictionless feeling when you lay it down. Well, for starters, this is truly a mini speaker. I mean, just look at how small this is. It has the dimensions of 50 by 56mm and weighs about 101 grams. For size comparisons, here it is beside the peso coin, my 22.5 Huawei adapter, a green cross alcohol, Cherry Mobile P1, an empty Rexona deodorant, the old iPhone 5S, and the Mi Zone B6 case. At first glance, you wouldn't even think that this tiny thing is a speaker. But don't underestimate the capability of this tiny speaker. It has 660 mAh battery capacity, which lasts me about 3 hours of music playtime on max volume, and only charges for up to 1 to 2 hours. The LED indicator blinks red if it's below 20%, while charging it will light red and lights blue if it's fully charged. It doesn't feel cheap on the hands for it having a budget price. It actually has an IP54 rating, so it makes this dust and water splash resistant. So this is a great speaker to bring while taking a bath. For a mini speaker, it does have some heft to it, but it could still fit right in your pockets. Now that's already been said, let's talk about its sound quality. For a little speaker, this delivers amazing sound performance. The box doesn't disappoint. The passive radiator at the bottom of the speaker grants it deep and real booming bass. Actually, this is what makes this mini speaker special. You'll actually feel the thumpy bass as you hold the speaker, or even just by looking at the bottom, you'll see how boomy its bass performance is. Vocals stand out as well. It's more prioritized than the highs. In fact, highs are what are lacking in the speaker. Treble tends to be muted for the vocals to be heard. But getting this for only 99 pesos, you really won't complain much. Even if you're getting this for 990, this is one of the best sounding speakers out there. If you won't take my word for it, here's an actual sound test.
Sex やりたいな。気持ちいいな。セックス気持ちいいな。僕はセックス大好き。いつもセックス毎日やりたい。セックスチンコをマンコに入れたいな。気持ちいいな。
If you're looking for a compact, clean, has minimalist design, easy to set up, fast to pair, amazing sound, and deep bass speaker, the Huawei CM510 is the mini speaker for you. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the Huawei CM510 speaker. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun lang guys, you may notice that yung audio natin ay nagbago, or siguro mas naging klaro siya, pero mapapansin nyo na nagiging mapawis na pawis ako dito sa video natin dahil kapag binuksan ko yung electric fan, rinig na rinig nyo yung tunog ng electric fan dahil dito sa gamit nating mic ngayon. Di na kasi nagpa-function tong BM800 natin. Bigla siyang nagloko ngayon, lalo na ngayon. So ayan, may mga compromises tayo mangyari para sa paggawa ng content natin. And ayun guys, medyo late tayo sa pag-upload ng content. We're lacking. Pagpasensya na ako. Medyo nagiging ano lang ngayon. And yun lang guys. That's it for the video. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!